Hey guys, Rith here. Back at it with another video. This time is about the printer. I've done some few modifications. The main one is I've changed the rod for this axis. Mostly what I've been doing is alignment. As you can see the play, let me show you. It spins without play. If you can put your eye against the wood next to it, it's not playing. And then I readjusted here. I raised it a little bit so that it's linear compared to the back. Other thing, I repaired the contacts here and here. Same for here and here. I cut a groove. Sorry, I can't show you. I cut a groove so that the screws can fit well. So on this shaft here, there's a small groove where the screw has gone through. And then from there, I tried to upgrade the bed, the heater bed. Sorry for that. So this is the wire that this is the setup that I tried using. Give me a minute. So this is the setup that I'm using. The resistor is the bed, because the bed is DC. One plug is the input is here. This is the output. It's 12 volt. So from there, you take a wire parallel, you put a transformer parallel to the resistor. So I had diodes. There's one diode here to prevent backflow into the wire. So it goes in through the transformer, through the coil, out of the transformer. Yeah, into the transformer, through the coil, out of the transformer, and then there's a split here, into the transformer, out of the transformer, and then through the diodes. The diodes are to prevent backflow into this coil and back into this coil. So it comes out through here. So the first result, I blew a diode. Apparently I've blown 2 diodes. So there's this one, there's a diode, there's a diode, there's a diode, and there's a diode. So I'm left with 2 diodes, this one and this one. So in the first experiment, this diode was small. It was this one, one of these ones. So it blew. You replaced it with a big one, and this diode blew because I kept it here. I kept it along this line, not here and here. So it had power from this line and this line. And then from there, after replacing the diode, I found another problem. The other problem is I shorted the wires. So as you can see, this is a burnt out wire. Current grew until it melted and started burning. It was close to a flame, but it was small. So this is the line that shorted, this line here. So So in a transformer there is a step up or a step down. I'm not sure which type of transformer I have. This is the transformer that I'm using, but either way, if it's a step up or a step down, it depends on the input and the output. If it's coming from this one and then coming out of this one, and then it's a step up, the voltage in this line should be higher than the voltage here. But again, remember, and the current in this line will be lower than the current in this line. But since this line through this coil and this one here through this coil back here are parallel, the voltage in both lines will be the same. The line through here, this line coming here, C, D, and this line coming here through the transformer back here, so the voltage is the same. So the setup that I have, it's a step up when you go this way. So when current comes here, it gets amplified, so the current in this line is more. So yeah, that's why it blew up. I'm planning to upgrade it. I'm inverting. I'm using aerial wires. Yeah, more. There's supposed to be 6 of them. There's one missing. I'll look for it. And then the other thing, during the first trial we blew a diode. Second trial is we put transistor and the wire. So give me a minute. This is the transistor. Don't know if you can see it. Let me go to light. As you can see, it's melted, so the transistor is shorted. So I was getting results. I was trying to record. I was using a multimeter and temperature from here, the target temperature. This was for the current. The readings are, give me a minute. These are the readings. You can pause and try to analyze them for yourself. So here it's the kilowatts. I was taking pictures of the power meter. So kilowatts, time difference, and then time build up. I didn't use voltage because I was using current, and then current, temp, and then target, and then the comment. So here is output diode burst. Here is I reset. And then here wire burnt and transistor burnt. So I fed the data into MATLAB. These are my results. So the first one, give me a minute.